Today, yesterday. Today I think. Yesterday I thought. Today I sit. Yesterday I sat. Today I catch. Yesterday I caught. Today I wear. Yesterday I wore. Today I speak. Yesterday I spoke. Today I tell. Yesterday I present past. I do. I did. I see. I saw. I sit. I sat. I eat. I ate. I come. I came. I have. I had. I go. I wait dash me. Wait for me. Look dash me. Look at me. Listen dash me. Listen to me. Smile dash me. Smile at me. Agree dash me. Agree with me. Depend dash me. Depend on me. Give it dash me. Give it to me. Explain dash me. Try this. Subject verb. I do. You do. We do. They do. He does. She does. It. Try this. Word opposite. On, off. Sit, stand. Happy, sad. Cold, hot. Clean, dirty. Strong, weak. Big. Try this. I play football. You play football. He plays football. She plays football. We play football. They trip, journey. Go, depart. Visit, tour. Arrive, reach. Stay, reside. Have, has. We dash a big family. We have a big family. He dash a cup of tea. He has a cup of tea. They dash some snacks. They have some snacks. He dash a painting class. He has a painting class. They dash dance lessons. They have dance lessons. He dash a headache. He has a headache. You dash a beautiful smile. You have a beautiful smile. I dash breakfast at 8. I Try this. I dash last night. I went last night. I dash every day. I go every day. I dash in 2028. I will go in 2028. I dash yesterday. I went yesterday. I dash sometimes. I go sometimes. I dash tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. I dash in 1991. I went in 1991. I dash every time. Try this. Talk dash me. Talk to me. Believe dash me. Believe in me. Laugh dash me. Laugh at me. Learn dash me. Learn from me. Come dash me. Come with me. Pay dash me. Pay for me. Dream dash me. Dream about me. Write dash me. Write to me. Speak dash me. Try this.